Can I have 2 sea bream? Yeah, sea bream, 2. And 3, please.
Seven. Did a drill pair because I'm jealous straight to church is 13 pounds. Yeah, it's 10 pounds now. Church is 13 pounds. Fullest 13 and I charge 13 pounds. Sorry about that.
3.
Next, anyone next?
But the guy's asking you. The guy's asking you.
How do you want it? Just clean, yeah?
Clean, please. Take the gales out.
Next, anyone next, brother, next?
I'm frying my prawn. Fortunately, I've got ginger, thyme, and salt on it, and some Maggi cubes that I put. And then what I will do is then I will put the fish on that and steam the fish on top of the rice. This is just really just to get some flavour, mint flavour. The rice, no garlic today. Unless we've got loads of delicious thyme from the market and some coriander there. I've taken out the prawns, so that's the broth that it's made. I said I'm going to put this on top of there and then put the fish on there and then steam it together. Before I do